Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I am back and ready to show you guys all the tea when it comes to these wigs. So let's get into it. This is a HG 13x6 unit from Sensational. Name is Latisha in the color 1. This unit I did get from Amazon. It is not sponsored, but I would love to be sponsored by them. Hopefully we can collab, you know. So yes, this unit is long. I believe it might be like 28 inches. Don't have to keep her long. You can cut her and she will go right back to the curl pattern that she came with. I also customized this unit. These are all the products that I use, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, please let me know and I can walk you through all the steps. But this is how the wig is constructed. Very breathable. You can scratch your scalp through the wig and you will not have any trouble. The unit is very easy to apply, very easy to customize. The lace is very soft, so you can't pluck it and it won't rip. But you want to be careful with the lace, but it's very well constructed, and so you won't have any issues with that. And so yes, you guys, get into it. This is how it looks outside the package. Here I'm just showing a screenshot of all the perks of this unit, and she very much duplicates a human hair wig. So I got a lot of compliments on this hair. A lot of people love it. A lot of people was like, oh my god, where did you get this wig from? Is that your hair? It's so full. I love it, and it does not look like a wig. And when I tell you guys, when you customize it and when you style it, it's gonna lay so flawlessly. So definitely make sure that you're customizing your unit so they don't look wiggy. And I never thought to customize my synthetic units, but now I actually customize all of my synthetic units, and I cannot see why I never did this in the first place. It's kind of like, I don't know why. So yes, you guys, I'm just going to be showing you how I plug a little bit, and then I'm going to be showing you guys final results. Not going to talk through the whole video, but I will add all the details down below so you guys can get into it and get this wig. I will be ordering her in more colors. I had her in well, I still have the unit, but I have her in blonde as well. And all the pictures are on my Instagram, on TikTok of that unit. I did not get to record a video on that one, but I pretty much did the same thing to that wig. This one is just black. I also ordered another one that's like a copper color. I believe it has highlights in it. And then I also ordered another unit from another hair company. So I will be doing videos and showing you guys how I customize those units. But please get into it. I'm just going to show you guys the through and through process. And you guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And make sure that you guys are tuning in, because I will be posting at least one video a week. And I'm believing that I'm going to just post them on Sundays. So yeah, I'll be back with more updates. But yes, just keep watching the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.